Welcome to this guided meditation to raise your vibration and help you becoming in a greater mood. First of all, go find a comfortable place where you can either sit down or lie down in your bed. And go ahead and take a deep breath in, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Repeat this process for a couple of more times to settle in and relax your body and relax your mind. You notice that for every breath that you take, your body is becoming more loose and feels heavier in relaxation. And you're bringing in light, making you feel more joy in your heart. And for every out breath, you're exhaling all the darkness that might be within you. So go ahead and breathe in light and joy, and breathe out any tension that might be holding you back. Now I want you to place both of your hands on top of your heart and really feel this place. Imagine that you're taking an elevator from your mind and into your heart. It's like you're looking out from this place now. Your eyes have moved down to your heart and you feel this place. You feel the sensation of tingling, and for every breath you start feeling this place becoming more joyful, more warm, safe. So go ahead and take a deep breath in through your nose, breathing in light and love into your heart, and exhale any unhappiness that might be. And now go ahead and take another breath, doubling this feeling of joy and love within your heart. And I want you to put yourself on the scale right now of 1 feeling not so good and 10 feeling amazing. Where are you on this scale? Wherever you are, it's perfectly okay. But we are going to set the intention that for every breath we take in, this number increases and increases. You're moving that number from whatever it is, 1 step ahead towards 10. So go ahead and breathe in, feeling yourself becoming more light, loose, at ease, feeling your emotions rising with love and happiness and peace within. Go ahead and take another deep breath in, moving one step closer towards 10. And repeat this process for as many breaths as you need. This practice is about letting go so we can feel what we essentially are by nature. We are love and light. So forgive yourself for anything that might hold you back from this light. And know it's okay. And keep breathing. Now one more breath, setting the intention that after this breath, you're going to be feeling much, much better. So go ahead and inhale. And exhale. You may now choose to open your eyes and just look around the room. What do you feel? Don't go look at your phone. Just be in this present moment and ask yourself, how does make me feel? I hope you feel much more light and at ease. And I hope you have a wonderful day. This meditation is complete.
Thank you for tuning in to Chrissy's Point of View. You have just listened to a guided meditation for raising your vibrations. If you enjoyed this meditation, please see playlist below with the rest of meditations. Also, click that subscribe button and I have left a gift underneath for you. Please check it out.